Traditional rulers from the different villages that make up Bakundu land joined the people of Bombe Bakundu to welcome His Royal Highness Benjamin Itwe to the traditional stool of Bombe Bakundu. The Dio of Bonge, Otto II William, called on Benjamin Mutanga Itwe to serve his people with selflessness, be a unifier, peace advocate, and development agent. Then came the long-awaited coronation ritual, a showcase of the culture and tradition of Bakundu land, an enthronement rich in significance, as other traditional rulers are expecting a lot from His Royal Highness Benjamin Mutanga Itwe.
For unity to call the Bakundu conference to unite us. When there is small, we shall unite and build the nation back. Forget about differences. There can be no family without difference.
The traditional ruler is promising to do his very best for his people.
I will do the best to continue serving them and to continue placing them in positions of responsibility.
His Royal Highness Benjamin Mutanga Itwe would lead the 30,000 inhabitants of Bombe Bakundu.